Greetings, Jeffrey Evans here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly manage all your book generation jobs, track your progress, and access all the important details you need to stay on top of your projects. Let's jump right in and see how this powerful tool can make your writing process smoother and more efficient. To get started, navigate to the Book Jobs page. Here, you'll see a list of all the books you've generated. For each job, you'll find key information such as the book title, status, and progress. Each job comes with several actions you can take. Let's take a look at them. Click on the View Book button to open and review the book you've generated. This allows you to check the content and ensure everything is as expected. If you want to delete a job record, simply click on the Delete Job option. This will remove the record from your list of book jobs. For more detailed information about each job, click on Show Details. This will open a detailed view with specific information about the book generation job. In the Job Details section, you can see the following key information: the title of your book, so you can easily identify it, the date and time when the job was created. Each job has a unique job ID for reference, the total number of chapters in the book, the date and time when the job was started, the number of chapters that have been completed so far. That's all you need to know about managing your book generation jobs. This page provides a comprehensive overview of each job's progress, actions you can take, and detailed stats for easy tracking. Now you're ready to track and manage your book generation jobs with ease. Keep an eye on your progress and take action as needed, all from the Book Jobs page. Happy writing!